Most of the time we're actually playing on one string and we're having like a pretty cool sound going on. So for beginners, a lot of stuff to discover, but it's also something interesting for more advanced players because we have some really interesting techniques going on here. We have, for the beginning, something we should check out just on one string without any fingers, because we have a pattern here, just downstrokes, but we have one upstroke going on here. So let me show you. So it's down, down, up, down, 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 down. And if you want to have the real James Bond sound, play it right next to the bridge. Try to build up the speed if you're an advanced player, because in the end it's something like... This upstroke really needs to be fluid. See, my hand is kind of like moving in a down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up movement. And that makes it easier in the higher tempo to be like... Now let's come to the fretting hand. Oh, 2, 2, 2, 2. Oh, 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 2, 2, 2, 2. Oh, oh, oh. So one time, open string, and then second fret with the index finger. And the second part is, oh, 3, 3, 3, 3. 2, 2, 2. Okay, second part. Oh, 3, 3, 3, 3. 2, 2, 2. Oh, 2, 2, 2, 2. Oh, 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 oh. 3, 3, 3, 3. This is the third time. And instead of, at the end of the third time, repeating all the whole thing, we play not 3 times second fret, we play 2, 1, oh. Okay? So the third time we play, we do oh, 2, 2, 2, 2. Oh, 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 oh. 3, 3, 3, 3. 2, 1, oh. And then we go to the first fret of the D string, and then the open D string, and then 2, oh, 2 on the A string. So it's 1, oh, 2, oh, 2. Okay? So the whole thing goes like this. Try to play it a little bit more towards the bridge. So you know that creepy Star Wars theme, and we start in the second fret of the D string with the index finger and just play everything with downstrokes, okay? 3 times, but don't play it like letting it ring. Play it, when you play it the first time, you just lift your finger a tiny little bit, you release the pressure from the string, the note dies. And additionally, I also mute the string with my picking hand. So you have, do that 3 times then. Then in the third fret of the A string with the middle finger, and then in the 5th fret with the pinky on the D string. And back to the 2nd fret of the D string, and again 3, 5, 2. Okay, 2, 2, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2. Bringing your thumb like on the back of the neck and have a really open hand position here, something like this. because if you're having your hand, your wrist kind of like in a weird position, or the thumb up here or something like this, this might be really hard to get the pinky in position. If you get that into your finger memory, also focus on your picking hand, because you have to like mute and change between two strings and stuff. This can be kind of tricky in the beginning. Then the second part starts on the 4th fret of the G string. Then after 3 times you go into the 5th fret with the pinky, then the open G string. So it's 4, 4, 4, 5, 0. And then after the open string you go to the 1st fret of the D string. And then to the 3rd fret A string, 5th fret D string, and 2nd fret D string. It's kind of like repeating the phrase. So it's 4, 4, 4, 5, 0, 1, 3, 5, 2. 2, 2, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2. And out to the 4th fret, 4, 4, 4, 5, 0, 1, 3, 5, 2. And again. And if you want to learn everything from the bases on, check out my free lessons for beginners, which you'll find in the video description. Check them out, totally free, just for you. And we see us in the next video. Thanks for tuning in. Take care. Bye.